Place is packed. Track City City. Let's get it. Now riders down. Star bikes everywhere. Thrasher or Mosman. Indeed. Dangerous checking out. Like it's 11 a.m. at a hotel. Thrasher, the dude can get 20th or second, you never know. Hymas buried.
Looks like right now there's a little bit of work going on as Cochran and Swole are going at it, and Swole now out.
I don't know if he said no. Swole's ribbed it.
There's nobody that's up in that pack right now.
Good vantage point, good tough out here.
Work late in the moto, no matter if he's a little buried in the pack or out front. As the moto progresses, you're going to see Danger Boy get stronger and stronger. Always hanging inside that top five, always in good position. That's the makings of a champion. That's how guys win championships. Businesses and being in the hunt, having smart rides, and that's what you can expect out of number 16, Tom Vial.
As we get ready for the leaders about halfway through this lap, when they come back down, we'll get Haley's perspective, and she has a fan. Heads up, just as Deegan's starting to crest up over the finish line. He's about 3/4 of the way through a lap right now. I know that she's the direction. She's done, whether it's SMX
rolled
or
early in the moto, went down. Dude, Daxton Bragg just blew the chain off the whip on the landing of this tabletop. That was sketch.
Including gate position, but just energy alone that he's preserving now in management mode. But as far as his form, love what I see.
Yeah, great call out there. You're exactly right, as he's able to energy. Tom Vial Megawatt just put an inside-outside line. What he did was he got Amateur's attention.
Amateur up to third. Let's go. Thrasher, Tim Vial, Roseman. Oh, ACL again.
And you want to see what the number 56 can do, get behind Seth Hammaker and watch him start to move.
Hey, that's the pride of out there right now, and he's the pride of all Pennsylvania as he works his way near the front, the number 56.
Days where we know he's been challenged, he knows how to set that.
Definitely a great job. We see a couple of other riders now starting to labor. 151, he reaches down to kind of adjust up on his bike and tries to get back into pace. A lot of these riders at this point, now that we have under 10 minutes to go, now you're going to start to see. Before, the class was even about 4 seconds off of the top 3 runners, so he definitely gave back a little bit of that push he did. And he gave it to Michael Roseman. Now, Roseman has, what I was talking about, he's in the 209, while they're in the 11th to 14th. That's pretty tough to hold off a guy that's charging that hard. He was 1-1 a week ago. I feel that he thinks he can have a real strong podium, possibly even the overall. He's had some fast laps, but he's definitely settled into it. Still holding on right now.
Yeah, still got the chance at Gavin Towers, GT Money, right ahead of him on the number 115 Felix Honda. Those guys locked in a battle. Listen to this. Faulkner, Lemire, and Towers, all 257, 258, 259.
Pass. And he's in front right now of Masterpool by a half a bike. Masterpool, he'll like that. He's coming back up the inside. He works the inside, and Masterpool gets around Shimoda.
You guys, if you can
Around the outside. Archbanks is digging.
3 minutes plus 2 laps. That's going to be about 2.5, maybe 3 laps.
Dude, Garrett needs an MRI between motos. Last lap. Jeff reeled him in, but not enough. on TV right now. Set, dude, let's go. Superfan stoked on you, bro. Great job. Third to first, what? Thrasher tries to commit suicide. Dude, this has been insane. What is going on? Hyman took a Denny Stevenson stab at it. Everybody wants to lead. Dangerous world, they're living in it. boys are headed forward. people that are still in front of them. Oh my.
So who's going to take this big one? Jeremy Martin had more points at this point in the season. Well, see, if he was able to lock up the championship, say, maybe would he make the move to the 450 for the last round just to get his feet wet?
Yeah, Rob, that's a question I've been asking myself. Anybody surrounding him, he's a guy early. If he wraps this thing up early, I believe he would jump up and try to
There are two really important factors on the line here. To set a precedence early on, and Haiden, Deegan especially, he wants to demoralize his competition. Doesn't matter if it's pro moto.
That's all they call in season.
It's got unlimited valves of flow. You can hear eyes like it.
Oh yeah, he's had to do all kind of work out there. So VL,
Oh, the crash. Got up. Make a move. Doesn't shoot. Does. Oh, it's just cooking.
On the overall podium here this afternoon.
yeah, Shimoda be 33 points back. And here's the thing, Shimoda, that could kind of drop into the points again. Right now he's 33 behind. So it's going to be an interesting one. And Manier,
The crowd is making this so
giving this kid a
difficult.
shout out because of the way he's coming
Good
up.
for the
He's
sport.
still
It's packed.
in that number 15 position. And Shermer catching him. Jordan Smith, High Master Pool, all behind. And the High Master Pool behind you and not turning a faster lap late in the race, Haiden Manier is really starting to find his footing.
We're going to be back in action with us soon.
Under 2 to go, so under 2 minutes to go. And as the Deegan has already come and gone, this could be the 2-lap card. It's going to be, I think it's going to be another one of them where he comes through with maybe 2 or 3 seconds remaining.
And we've seen that so many times this season where that extra lap has made a difference, as a matter of fact.
So Thrasher right now finds himself about a lap time. So I think he's going to beat the timing. I think we're going to see this lap plus another 2 after we're done. It's going to be interesting, though, to see exactly what happens on these final couple stations.
And how about Thrasher? Thrasher finds himself in. Holy cow, all right. These guys jumped in with both feet, known for off-road championships, known in the world scene.
I would finish in the number 3 spot overall. Tied with Deegan, but the tiebreaker would be the second moto. So once we establish a brand, let's bring back to But, you know. Late in this race, I tell you what, some look away from the track. They better be on their way back to the paddock before the race is actually over because things happen.
Final time around, this dude has dominated. You're off.
Well, you know, I don't think that Deegan's
Hyman was barking. It's not quite hard enough.
cruised all day. He's going to try to hit the same bump, the same line. But
I'm tired for you, Chief.
Saturday afternoon, going to deliver a Father's Day win to Brian Deegan.
That was sick. Whoa, has ripped. For his first of the year, oh, he's casing that one.
Kind of settled into their finishing spot for some
Deegan won it for the haters. Crowd goes crazy. Thanks for watching.